So now we're at the third part of the process, which is applying Thermal XR Restore. Before we apply Thermal XR Restore, you can see the team here. We're straightening out any fins, making sure we've got straight fins as much as possible, and we are putting the fans back on to dry the coil. We must have a dry surface before applying Thermal XR Restore. So before filling the gun or applying the coating, the main thing is we must give Thermal XR Restore a really good mix with a drill or with a hand paint stirrer. One litre of Thermal XR Restore will give you enough coverage to coat 1 square metre of coil both sides. Obviously we want a clean professional job, so we'll tape up existing areas where we're going to spray that we don't want coated. Now applying Restore. Restore is just a water-based coating. General PPE should be used, a mask, glasses and gloves. Now we're going to proceed with 3 coats. The first coat we're going to do direct on at 90 degrees from top to bottom. That's our real penetration coat, really getting into the coil. Then we're going to go from left to right at 45 degrees, and then the final coat right to left 45 degrees. Now, to get a uniform coat, we're going to go from left to right, 45 degrees from top to bottom. Now for the final coating, 45 degrees, right to left, all the way from top to bottom. Now we've finished putting 3 coats of Restore onto the coil. Any leftover Restore that's left in the gun can simply be put back in the tin. Make sure the tin is airtight and stored out of sunlight. Cleaning the guns, please only use water. Please don't use any other solvents. We don't want any contamination. So any leftover, there's no waste of the Restore product, can be put back into the drum. Now we simply peel off. We have now completed the job of Thermal XR at the Warners Bay site of Commonwealth Bank. The coils were not in the greatest condition, being close to the sea here. They had a lot of corrosion due to salt exposure. We applied the 3-step Thermal XR process: TXR prep, activate and restore. The job came up pretty good. We were happy with the results. We just want to thank Grosvenor for their assistance on this job. The job probably took in total about 4 hours, which is good time. Thanks again from Thermal XR.